Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. In a major breakthrough in Himachal Pradesh, the seizures of cash, ornaments, liquor and psychotropic drugs even before the notification have surpassed the level of Lok Sabha elections in 2019. Giving the information on Wednesday, the Chief Electoral Officer Manish Garg stated that the seizures amounting to rupees 13.38 crore in 4 parliamentary constituencies of Himachal Pradesh were made till date, as of compared to the total of 11.31 crores in the year of 2019. Expecting more seizures in the times to come, Garg said that the biggest haul of seizures was made from the Shimla parliamentary constituency, amounting to rupees 14.19 crores, followed by Hamirpur, where seizures were of rupees 3.98 crore were made. In Kangra parliamentary constituencies, the enforcement agencies including police, state taxes and excise departments made a catch of rupees 3.36 crore, and the minimum seizures were from the Mandi parliamentary constituency, which was around 1.83 crores, said Garg. He stated that in 2019, the police captured cash, liquor, drugs and other precious ornaments worth 3.73 crores, while the state taxes and excise department seized liquor and goods amounting to rupees 7.58 crore. Whereas in 2024, the seizures of the police amounted to 4.65 crores, those of state taxes and excise department till now stood at 8.35 crore, and the mining department had issued fines worth 25 lakhs for the illegal mining. Till May 7, 2024, the seizures of cash, drugs, ornaments and liquor amounted to 51.55 lakhs in district Bilaspur, 60.80 lakhs in district Chamba, 29.4 lakhs in district Hamirpur and 2.74 crores in district Kangra. In Kannauj, the amount was 7.99 lakhs, and in Kullu district, the amount went up to 1.4 crores. Similarly, in the Lahaul-Spiti district, the total seizure of illicit liquor, drugs, ornaments and cash amounted to 32 lakh rupees. Seizures of 58.22 lakhs were made in district Mandi. In district Shimla, seizures were worth 1.15 crore and rupees 1.20 crore in district Sirmaur. He further said. Garg further added that apart from the seizures worth 1.95 crore were in the district of Solan and 3.14 crore were in the district Una. The total seizures in all the 4 Lok Sabha constituencies was worth rupees 13.38 crores. It was due to the stringent directions of the Election Commission of the India that seizures have gained huge momentum and are likely to seize more cash and liquor during the remaining period of Code of Conduct, stated Chief Electoral Officer Manish Garg in Himachal Pradesh. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.